How's it going, everyone? Back here with a very quick video. Today we're just going to be taking a very quick look at this device here. This is the Anker Sound Sync Bluetooth receiver, and essentially what this is it allows you to pretty much add Bluetooth capability to non-Bluetooth devices. So essentially any device that has a 3.5mm audio jack input, you can attach this receiver to it and essentially play audio, whether it be a car stereo or a home surround sound system that does not already have Bluetooth, and play your phone's audio or phone call audio through it to use it in that way. However, the reason I have this and how I'm going to use it is for music, because my current surround sound setup that I have here at home does not have Bluetooth integrated. It's a kind of an older model. So this is what this is going to be using, because I had an older version of this, but I guess it became obsolete because it no longer works with my current iPhone, or current phone, which is an iPhone, the 16 Pro. So it got unfortunately outdated, so I had to get a new one. So let's go ahead and take it out of here. So out of the box, this is what you're going to see. Right on the top is the actual little Bluetooth receiver itself. And then down below that is all of your cables. I'll get that out of here. So you do get a few extra little things in here. So you have a 3.5mm headphone jack coupler type of adapter, which is kind of handy. Then we have a few actual wires. One is another 3.5mm male-to-male connection. Just is longer, if you need a longer one than just that little small adapter there. And then we have the charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-A. However, you can charge this basically with any USB Type-C cable, which is great. So you don't have to use that plug if you don't want to. And then the little device here is pretty small, actually. It just has a few buttons on it. You have the USB-C port on the left side. Right side is your power button and or pair button to connect it to your phone and or other device. And then if you're going to be using this as a controlling device, it does have media controls somewhat. It has volume up and volume down, and then it has a little microphone port. So you could theoretically use this, again, to make and receive phone calls through. And then on this side, you just have the 3.5mm headphone jack right there. So it's a very simple little device. And it's pretty much plug and play. So to pair it to your phone, all you would do is hold down the power button for a couple seconds, and it's going to immediately go into Bluetooth pairing mode. And there we go. And on the phone here, you can see it right here. You can see sound sync and then the model number. So we can click on that, and it should immediately pair it to this phone. And there we go. So this device is now paired, and you can see the little blue LED is now lit, and then the volume indicator on the phone just lit up there. And if we go into this, hold on to here, we can see we are now connected to the sound sync device. So it's actually really simple to get up and running. All you have to do is pair it once, and basically you're good to go. So that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.